Welcome to our tutorial on how to unpin a conversation on Twitter using your PC. Follow these simple steps to declutter your direct message inbox and prioritize important chats. To get started, navigate to your direct message inbox where all your conversations are listed. Look for the specific conversation that you want to unpin from the top of your DM inbox. Once you've located the conversation, click or tap on the More icon associated with that chat. This will bring up a menu of additional options to manage the conversation. From the drop-down menu, select the Unpin Conversation option to remove the conversation from the top of your DM inbox. This action will help you streamline your inbox and focus on other important chats. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily unpin conversations on Twitter and keep your direct message inbox organized and efficient. Unpinning conversations allows you to prioritize your interactions and stay on top of your important chats. Declutter your DM inbox and maintain a clear communication flow on the platform. That's all for our tutorial on how to unpin a conversation on Twitter using your PC.